Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hexa and my channel is all about self-care, creating a happier, healthier life, and my journey to becoming a influencer or content creator and kind of just sharing my tips for making money online and through social media. And one of the perks of being on a content creator journey is that you get people sending you free stuff from your favorite brands. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some skincare products that stylevana sent me. Stylevana is a Korean beauty retailer, so they have a giant range of skincare, hair care, body care, and makeup products. And they were also kind enough to give me a personal discount code for my audience. So if you're on the market for some new Korean beauty products, the code is over here on the screen, and you can use that to get a slight discount. And I also get a 5% commission for every sale. So it's a way that you can support me as a content creator without any cost to you. So generally, I have to say that when it comes to skincare products, I can be pretty skeptical that brands are able to really come up with something that is like completely new, completely irreplaceable, and like amazing. My general belief is that, there are so many skincare products on the market and that a lot of them do very, very similar things. But I was actually really surprised that some of the items in this box were something that was completely new to me and made a really big visible change in my skincare routine. So let's get into what they sent me.
Hi! Mokkale! Come here, baby. Come, Mokka.
They just came back from a walk.
Vino, Mokka. Hi! Hello! How was your walk? Oh my goodness. She is so excited. She's like, oh my god. Run. You got the zoomies. You do the crazies. She's like, pet me, please. I bury my face in you so you can pet me. Yes, my baby. You are such a good girl. Look at you. You're so pretty. She's hiding. Her head is hiding behind my microphone. Mwah. Good girl. I am glad you liked your walk. Mwah. Go. Run. Go. Miro's gonna give you some food now. Mirona's gonna give you lunch. Go. Lunch. Go. Lunch.
She's frozen. Okay, after that brief doggo intermission, is that what it's called? Intermission? Let's get into the box. So the first product in here that I was very, very impressed with is this Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil from Haru Haru Wonder. This is what the product looks like inside. I love the packaging. It's so minimalistic, but it has this it has this cool dark gradient on the bottle that looks very cool. I really loved this cleansing oil because it cleaned my makeup off so effortlessly and it didn't feel thick and heavy like some cleansing oils or balms can feel. It has a very light, so it's unscented. It doesn't have any artificial scents in here, but it does have a slight rice kind of scent, which I personally found very comforting and very nice. It's kind of nostalgic for me because, I lived in China. So it kind of, to me, it smells like, when you're cooking rice in your house and just the whole air smells like rice. So I really liked that about it. But yeah, 1 or 2 pumps of this was enough to really effectively clean heavy makeup off of my face. And it left my skin feeling moisturized and hydrated, but not overly oily. And I also know with cleansing balms and cleansing oils, you can sometimes get a very grimy, oily feeling in your eyeballs, just from the film of oil that gets in your eyes. I did have that experience a little bit with this product, but not as badly as with other products I've used in the past. So overall, I thought this was a really excellent cleansing oil option. I would definitely recommend trying it out, especially if you have sensitive skin and you want something hydrating that is unscented. I genuinely really love this, and I feel like this is the kind of thing that I would repurchase if I ran out. Next up, we have a product from a brand called Swanee Coco Natural Cosmetic. This is their Biopeptine Fermentation Peptine Eye Care Cream. This is what the tube looks like. I actually really love the packaging. I feel like when you squeeze it, just the perfect right amount of product squeezes out of this tube. I don't know why. It's just it feels really, really convenient to me. This eye cream has a slight citrusy sort of smell, which you would expect that would really bother you if you put it in the eye area, but it actually doesn't. Like, I don't know what it is about it. Like, it smells citrusy and fresh, but it doesn't sting. Even like, I put it like all over my eye area, right? Even like got some into my eye a little bit by accident, and it didn't sting at all. So I don't know what's up with that, but I'm not complaining. And it's also kind of a gel formula rather than a creamy formula. So what I thought was really amazing about this is that literally like 30 to 60 seconds after you apply this and like rub it into your under eyes gently, you no longer feel this on your skin. Like, I applied this an hour ago or so, and like, I literally cannot feel that there is cream around my eyes, which I think is really great. Like, especially if you want to apply this in the daytime, like in the morning, to just have a fresher, more hydrated look to your eyes. I mean, nobody wants to go through their whole day with just like, you know, a thick, creamy, heavy feeling around their eyes. But with this, it just completely sinks into the skin as soon as you like massage it in a little bit, and then that's it. Like, you don't feel this anymore once it has been applied. I haven't had the chance to use this in the long term, so I can't necessarily comment on like the long-term effects of it, but I will say that it does give me a really nice, refreshing feeling to my eyes, and I think this would be awesome if you just like put it in the fridge and then just like applied it in the morning. I think that would make the effects even nicer. Next up, this was something super unexpected and really, really nice. They sent me this whole like big gift set from Heimish. This is their Bulgarian Rose special set. So let's open this up. It came with 3 products in here. We have the Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream, the Hydrogel Eye Patches with Bulgarian Rose Water, and their Tone Up Sunscreen, which is a Bulgarian Rose tinted Tone Up UVA UVB Protection SPF 50 sunscreen. That is a mouthful. So I have some thoughts. Oh God, I coughed wrong and now I'm gonna get the hiccups. I can just feel it. No. Damn it. I got the hiccups. Who doesn't want to get hiccups in the middle of filming a YouTube video? That's like the best. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to power through it and hope it goes away. You can't fault me for like the additional entertainment factor of just seeing my whole body like convulse every 30 seconds from a hiccup. Okay. Please try to take me seriously, even if I have to hiccup my way through this video. I don't know what I did. Mocha, can you come join me for emotional support, please? Come here. Oh. Gosh darn. She's like, what's wrong with you? Goddamn. Okay, so I have some thoughts on this Heimish Bulgarian Rose set. Some pros and some cons, and stylevana encouraged me to be honest with my reviews. So here's what I think. I do think that this set is perfect for gifting. Like, I think this would make an amazing gift. But on the other hand, while I do like having scented products, I feel like the scent is part of the skincare experience. For me, the rose smell in these products was a little bit too strong. I don't know how anyone's gonna take me seriously. I can't. I know these hiccups are not gonna go away. Oh God. I can't even take myself seriously. The rose smell in these products was a little bit strong, and I also feel like rose as a scent is like, it feels very old-fashioned, you know? Like, I feel like this would make a good gift set for someone a little bit older, you know, like middle-aged or even older. For me, just like, I feel like very old-fashioned cosmetics tend to contain rose scents. If you like the smell of rose, then you will enjoy these products. But on the other hand, if you have sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't recommend them, because I do feel like there's just a little bit too much fragrance in here, and it did give my skin that like slightly irritated feeling that you get from over fragranced products. The hydrogel eye patches I thought were really, really fun. They're this kind of like sparkly gel thing that you put under your eyes, and they look very cute. I think they'd be amazing for selfies to post on like Instagram, or just to have like a little family self-care night or a self-care night with your girlfriends. The satin cream has a very nice thick texture, but I will say that personally I wouldn't apply it if my skin was feeling irritated or like very, very dry from cold weather or dry weather, because when your skin is really dry or a little bit irritated, I think it's best to avoid fragrance, and the amount of rose fragrance in this product was just a little too much and makes it not particularly comforting on slightly irritated skin. And the Tone Up sunscreen. I have some thoughts. Formulation-wise and the way that it feels on the skin, I quite like. I think it does leave a slight kind of oily feeling on the skin. Not oily, but just like, I don't know, kind of glowy. And so I think it would be best for slightly drier or normal skin types. But what I did find a little bit problematic about this product is that, you know, it's supposed to be a tinted liquid sunscreen, but even on me, even on my skin, which is very, very, very fair, like I usually pick between like the first to the third shade of foundation in any given foundation line, but even on my super fair skin, this left a white cast. So I feel like if you have darker skin or even just like medium skin, I don't know that this would work for you. I know that this is kind of a trend in Asian cosmetics, like in sunscreens and BB creams, to kind of just put a tint in there that is intended to make the skin look whiter. But on me personally, I felt like it looked a bit unnatural and just kind of ghostly. So if you're looking for a ghostly skin lightening effect, then you will enjoy this tinted sunscreen. But for me personally, I don't know, I felt like you could so clearly see the product on my skin and like the white cast on my skin, so I would not be so sure about using this in my daily life. Oh my god, these hiccups are driving me insane. I don't want to rag on these products. I do still think that they're good products. I do think that they are still well formulated, but I think it just matters who the product is for. If you or the person that you're buying this for really likes the smell of rose, then they will enjoy these products. I think the eye patches are super fun. I think the cream has a really nice finish. It feels really heavy and nourishing going on, but it doesn't feel overly heavy once you have worked it into the skin. But I would just be careful about using these products on sensitive skin, irritated skin, and for the sunscreen, I would worry about it being used on darker skin tones. So just keep that in mind. But as a gift set, if you or someone you know would be a good fit for these kinds of products, I think it's a really good thing to gift to someone. I wonder what stylevana is gonna think when I send them this video for this collaboration and they see me like hiccuping my way through the entire thing. Oh god. Okay, let's get back into the unboxing. So I just mentioned that the Heimish sunscreen had a little bit of a white cast. They did send me another sunscreen. This is a sunscreen stick. It is the, I hope I'm saying this right, the brand is Abib. This came in a box, but I lost the box. I'm sorry, I literally don't know where it went. I put it on like the dining room table while I took some product shots, and when I came back it was gone, so I think somebody threw it away, or I don't know, it just got misplaced somehow. But yeah, this is the Abib Tone Up Sunstick Silky Bar with SPF 50 plus PA plus. This product surprised me because when you like look at it, it's completely white. It reminded me of those like kind of sunscreen sticks those really like heavy, thick sunscreen sticks that I would use when I was little, whenever we went on like field trips with the school and they didn't want us to get totally sunburned. And those things usually leave like an insane amount of white cast. So I was a little bit worried about this, but actually, like, it looks like it's gonna leave a crazy white cast when you leave it on, when you like apply it, you know? But then once you actually rub it in, it looks super natural and you can barely tell the product is there. I love this like sunscreen smell that it has. It really reminds me of like summer. This sunscreen stick I think is super, super convenient. I mean, this is the perfect thing to just carry in your bag to reapply your sunscreen in the middle of the day. The light is getting a little crazy. I'm just gonna close the curtains a bit. Okay, I hope that's all right. This is just the perfect size to apply to like your cheeks, your face, but not only that, I think it's also great for like your neck, your shoulders, your arms, like literally anywhere on your upper body. I would use this sun stick to apply, and it feels very nice on the skin. You can feel it a little bit, like it doesn't completely dissolve and like disappear into your skin, but it just leaves like a slight kind of it just leaves like a slight oily or moisturized kind of sheen on your skin. I personally really like it. I think it's a very convenient product to have around for probably any type of skin, except maybe dry skin. If you have dry skin, then perhaps you prefer to use like a liquid formulation of sunscreen rather than a stick. But if you're on the go, I really cannot think of anything better. Next up, we have a shower gel that they sent me, which I am really enjoying. It's from a brand called Fruitia, and it's their My Orchard Peach Body Wash. They have a few different scents of this body wash. They sent me the peach, which I'm very happy with. It has a really, really nice, just like light, very perfumed peach kind of smell. It just like, it reminds me so much of summer. It just makes me feel like I'm like holding a giant basket full of fuzzy peaches up to my face. It smells very nice. It's not overly strong, but it's just strong enough so that the scent lingers slightly on your skin after you shower. And yeah, I've been really, really enjoying this. I'm so glad that they sent this to me. I saved the best for last, in my opinion. This is the Some By Me 30 Days Miracle Tea Tree Clear Spot Oil. This oil, this spot treatment is a game changer. Like, I really didn't think that anything was gonna be this effective, but this like it completely surprised me how well this worked. I had some like little spots on my face this week. I have like a little one over here on my forehead, and I had one next to my nose that was really big and red and angry. I think I applied this like 2 nights in a row, and it was almost completely gone. Like the skin just looks a little bit pink because I picked at it and the skin still has to heal. But literally every time that I used this in the evening, I would wake up the next day and the size of the spot would be like 50% smaller. It smells extremely strongly of tea tree. Like whatever is in this bottle is super, super, super concentrated. It smells very strongly of tea tree, and it did sting just a tiny bit for a few seconds when I first applied it, but then, you know, the stinging feeling went away. And the way you use it is you just take like a Q-tip or something and you put like 1 or 2 drops onto it and then use the Q-tip to apply it onto the spots on your face. If you have acne or if you have like little spots or pimples that appear from time to time, I would completely 1000% recommend trying this because yeah, I don't know what it is, but this was insanely effective. This probably is one of the best spot treatments I have ever tried. It's kind of crazy because literally the only like active ingredient I guess that I can find in this is the tea tree. It also contains panthenol and allantoin, which I think those are just like to soothe and calm and slightly moisturize the skin. I had no idea that like tea tree by itself would be this effective. I thought this might include like salicylic acid or something else in there. It doesn't. It's literally just the tea tree plus some ingredients to soothe and hydrate the skin so that, you know, it doesn't get overly irritated or dried out from the tea tree. Very, very impressed with this. This worked like a charm. So that was everything I got in this PR box. Thank you so much to stylevana for sending me these products. I had a really great time trying them out, and most of them I am a really big fan of. All of these products are linked down below in the description box so you can buy them easily if you saw anything in this video that piqued your interest. And if not, then just feel free to browse the stylevana website and you can always use my discount code to get a little bit of money off your order. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.